Jeff Whyte from Whyte. Today we've got a very, very rare opportunity of a PTO. This is a high ace here now, an automatic high ace. Now, one of our very clever service guys, this is a credit to him, has built this PTO and it's done only 140 hours. Has got the remote control to run it. So simply, and also while I'm at it, have a look at the room inside. It's got a swagger room in there. I'll open up the back too. But this is a brand new truck mount that he actually built. And it's only, yeah, like I say, done 140 hours. But it's unique where you can run it. That's it engaged, and I'm talking over it now. You've got your remote here to engage it. And like all the PTOs, we go to the back. And all that room inside. And we hook our hoses on at the back. And with the machine running, that's it running now. We turn our PTO drive up. And that's it now in full flight. But it's a credit to him, but the truck mount itself is virtually brand new. It's only done 140 hours like I said. So I've just brought it back to an idle. Now, I've finished my job, I hop in the van, I'm ready to drive away. This is really fabulous value for what it is. So that's a truck mount there, neat as a pin, and it does have a water softener and automatic pump out as well. But that's like a current PTO right now. If they were out to us, they're a bit behind in production, but they are in the 60s. This is great value. Give us a call on it, but it's a driveway rig, all set up, but it's a real credit to our man that can build these things as clever as what that is. It's great value. But even if you want to do nursing home work and all that sort of thing, it's extremely quiet, a lot of room. Thank you.